And I thought it wouldn't have gotten any better. Remember when I told you this account got membership? I wanted to do something. And that's something. Okay, I don't feel lonely without this music. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Sweet tunes. Okay, too loud. Too loud. Okay, there. Much better. But I wanted to do something. I have another spare account, which is basically my name again, but with a fancy ooh, it's fancy. That's the one right here, and you'll never believe it. I wanted to check out that account. Guess what? I got membership on this account. I have membership on all of my spare. Okay, not all. Oh my god. I'm gonna check my other super special secret account. It's very secret. Oh my goodness. How? Why? This was my poorest one. Hat. Oh yes, but yet so fancy. Purple with the hearts. Okay, here we go. I got membership, people. Yeehaw. Oh my goodness. Cannot believe it. I have membership on all these accounts. This is so freaking amazing. Who is in my den? What do you need? Is it for a week? Yes. I got it for free. Now I have 3 member account. Now I have 3 member account. Damn! I'm gonna escape. Shopee. I'm gonna check. Oh wow, this is truly lovely. I'm gonna check. I'm gonna log out of this account and I'm gonna go onto my secret account, so I'll be right back. What do you know? Wow. I have membership on all my accounts. What in the tarnation? Oh my goodness. Why? Why? Well, I can now do this, and I'm gonna make it. Let's see, what's the most secret kind of secret? Yeah, Phantom. Why not? It's gotta be a little bit different. Okay, we know we're gonna put on those, and oh yes. You'll never believe it. I got free membership. Ah! Oh, that's sad. Well, that's even more sad. But guys, got membership. All my spare accounts. Why am I buddies with one? Okay, I think I know. I'm gonna have to unbuddy you. I'm sorry, but it's just my spare. It's my really secret spare account. No one can know about this account. No one can know about this account ever in my whole life. Actually, she's blocked, so I'll keep you on my buddy list. So. You're still my buddy. Let's. Wow. This one's extremely poor. Oh my goodness. By the way, I'm talking really quiet, and I don't know why. Hallelujah. One in the tarnation. Enchanted purple animal. Count Dire Moon. Wow! Oh my goodness. Well then. That means I can buy an animal if I wanted to. Whenever I want. Buy one right now. But alas, I'm poor. All these counts. Okay, I gotta quickly run over here so you don't see my username. I gotta go over here. You know, I'm just gonna entirely leave. And I'm gonna go to the diamond shop. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna buy a fox. On all of the accounts, I'm going to buy a fox. On all of them. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get some gems. Oh yes. And now on this account, I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, we're gonna go to the diamond shop. Gonna pay them diamonds for money. Do 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 do. And now I get a fox because I can. Woot woot. Fox. Boom boom. I don't know what I named it, but whatever. And now fox. Gotta go get fox. Fox. Foxy. Okay. Fox, where are you? I got a horse. Fox. Horse fox. Yeah. Get a fox. Oh yes. Oh yes. And now I am truly beautiful. Wow. Gonna make this army. How did the other one look? Gotta make sure I know. Okay. Gotta make it look beautiful as always. The nice good old purple. Then that color. Then perfect. Now I gotta do the same thing over here. Oh my goodness. Wait, it's a secret account, so I cannot do that. Or else people will know. And then we're gonna go to Gray. And the boom shakalaka. Oh my god, I'm a report. What is happening? It's. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what's happening here, but. How fantastic. Okay, I'm gonna ask the almighty question. Who just got free member because I did? Now I have 4 member accounts. Who just got free member because I did? Now 4 member accounts. Ah. Oh my gosh, I got a jamagram. What for socks? I really want them. I don't know. I don't know. Awful for them. Oh yes, I can now officially talk. Oh yes, pen pal. Wow. I'm gonna put them on trade and let's see. Oh, my blood trees. They just. What that said. Off. Offer. No, that's not how you spell offer now, is it? Offer. Oops. Capitals. Oh, capital. Bleh. Bleh. Oh. Okay. Glory. This was sent a while back. Woo! Okay. Oh yes, that is so good. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go and I'm just there is such a draw. Oh my god, I left. No. I'm sad now. officially said. Okay, don't go in there, crocodile. Don't you dare. Please let this be the exact same one. Okay, thank goodness. Actually, I can't because this is my secret account. Quickly, trade to me. Trade to me. It's not trade. Trade to me. Well, what a fun stuff. I can go on my jammer wall. I'm gonna like my own jammer wall because I'm a nerd. And I'm gonna use the cupcake one because it's cute. Lovely. Wow. And then I'm gonna put cakes everywhere and ice cream everywhere and this, and this. Oh yes. I don't think I have art. And then I'm gonna do this special thing. Woo. Woot. I just got member. Thank you, AJ. Animal Jam rocks. Okay, yeah, I think that's pretty good. Okay, have they traded me yet? Oh, they wanted to be my buddy. I'm sorry, I can't. Can't buddy. Sorry. I can't buddy you. I'm really sorry. But you know what I can do? I'm gonna go on my jammer wall. Oh my goodness, my username is exposed up there. But you can't see it. No new messages. I am secret dude. I am a secret dude. But I will not reveal it. I'm gonna enter my caption here. Wow. Such. Wow. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Wait, are you gonna offer? I don't even know anymore. I have one diamond left to spare, so should I buy another animal? I don't know. I love this tribe I have here, though. It's real good. Tree for a tree. No, my tree is better than your tree. Oh my goodness, okay. What even is this? Rares for my beloved black socks. This is probably a fair trade, but my beloved black socks. They're only mine. Mine! Run away! Let me free. Okay, I'm free. I'm free. And I'm also free from this video because that's gonna end the video for today. And also, they just dragged me again. I couldn't trade. Got to go. Oh. Well, me too. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.